Hi, this is Extend Office. This workbook contains a separate performance report for each employee, with the employee's name stored in cell B3 of each worksheet. In this video, I'll show you how to rename all the worksheets using the employee names in the same cell. Before starting, create a backup of the workbook because changes made by a macro cannot be undone with Ctrl and Z. Press Alt and F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. Click Insert and select Module. Paste the VBA code into the module. The code checks cell B3 on every worksheet and uses its value as the new worksheet name. Place the cursor anywhere inside the code, and press F5 to run the macro. Report 01 has been renamed Olivia Carter, Report 02 has been renamed Liam Brooks, and the remaining worksheets have been renamed with their corresponding employee names. For a more visual way to rename the worksheets without editing code, use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools, click Kutools Plus, and then Rename Worksheets. In the dialog box, you can uncheck any worksheets you do not want to rename. Then choose Replace Original Sheet Name. Select Rename Worksheets with specific cell, and specify cell B3. Click OK. Kutools now renames each selected worksheet using the value in B3 of that worksheet. If needed, press Ctrl and Z to undo the changes. The same dialog also lets you rename worksheets using a list of names in one sheet, manually entered text, or a prefix or suffix added to the original worksheet names. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.